Hey everyone, it's your favorite video tutorial person, Stems. All right, so I learned something really awesome, so I'm going to share it with you. It is how to get all of your classes into Teams through Outlook. So I can send an email and everyone will get it. Sometimes they won't always see it in Teams, so we are able to send it through Outlook and post things in your Teams as well. So you can see here I have all my classes right here for first quarter, and I gave them fun names because I decided to. You don't have to, but I did. So I want to show you how I did that. So I am over in my Outlook. I have lots of things, and here's my groups. So I'm going to go right here to groups. So it's on the left hand side. I'm going to right click on groups, and then I'm going to click on new group. I'm going to give my group a name, and I'm going to give it a name called PE, because I can. And then this is a practice. Please ignore. So I'm going to send this to somebody, and I'm going to create this group, and we want it on private so only the members see what's inside. And I'm going to create my group. And then here you add in students' email addresses. So I'm going to put in, oops, let me do her last name first. Amy Spear, she's a teacher, and I did this earlier with her. I'm going to add, and what you do is you go through and you type in all your students' names on your list, and then you hit create, and then you're going to get over here, and this is the group you have created, and this is where all the email messages will be. So I click this message, I come to add to the team site. That will kick me over to the SharePoint. So within SharePoint now, you will see over here, and you have to wait for it to load. It will load Microsoft Teams. And then it says create a team. And I know you can't see the create very well, but right here, you want to create a team. So then within there, I don't need to open it because I already have it open. I go to my teams, and you will see that it was just created right here. So you can see I've been doing this with a couple people today, so I have different practice ones that I have done. So it's pretty simple. Okay, you start in Outlook, you do a new group, you create that new group, and then hit create. It sends you over here. You go to the SharePoint, bottom left-hand corner, over here, and it will pop up once everything has loaded. And it will say create a team, which this one already has one created, so it's not going to pop up. And then it ships you over to team, but it's just keep in mind it will be here. And then your new team will be at the bottom of your groups. So I hope that helps. I hope that's something that you can use in the future. If you've already created your teams, that is fine. Do what makes sense to you. I just want to give some tips and videos out there of what some other teachers have shown me, so I want to pass that along to you. All right, so if you have any tips or tricks, let me know. I would love to learn. Have a good one.